As we look into the future, the amount of devices and technologies used has projected enormously. According to Forbes mid-2018, more than 3.7% use internet, 40,000 Google searches every second, millions of mails and Skype calls made daily. Moreover, millions of services are made digitally every day. Since dawn of humanity, technology has evolved life using innovations that make our life easier. From blockchain revolutionizing financial transactions, AI and computer vision that made a huge impact regarding early medical diagnosis and treatment. IoT connecting millions of devices silently shaping our future, altering the way we live by making devices smart. Smart devices have increased during the last decade, using IoT at safety, smarter homes, and trafficking systems, with more apps and devices coming in hand for those living with a disability. As we look into the future, there is more yet to be explored, agriculture and medical solutions to help people in need. So life is not easy, never was, but will be, by dreaming, embracing, and innovating new solutions and technologies, making the technology